Welcome makers! Today we are making an inexpensive and easy flower crown out of fresh baby's breath. I get requests for these often for flower girls, infant photo shoots, and other special occasions. You will need floral wire for the base of your flower crown. This one is covered to look like a vine, and you can find it at any craft store. They may have different thicknesses of the vine wire. I would opt for one of the thinner options. I also have ribbon. You can use any type of ribbon. It will be used to tie on the crown. We also need scissors and floral tape. Floral tape most commonly comes in green. I'm using white because it blends better with this project. You can find floral tape on Amazon as well as your local craft store. Lastly, fresh baby's breath. I've seen larger bunches at Costco and smaller bunches at Trader Joe's and grocery stores that have a grower's selection. First, I am going to prep the base of my flower crown. I am creating a loop and twisting the ends tightly together. The crown I am making today is a child size. We will create another loop on the other end. I measure my flower crowns around the head and go just behind the ears, leaving some space at the base of the neck to tie it on with the ribbon. I'm going to prepare my baby's breath by cutting off small pieces and trimming those pieces so that the stem is about an inch long. The floral tape is not sticky, but once you stretch it, it will become tacky and stick to itself. I am placing 1 or 2 pieces of baby's breath directly on my wire and wrapping it on with floral tape. I twist my flower crown with the right hand while wrapping the floral tape with my left. I am stretching my floral tape so that I can add the next bunch. My second bunch of baby's breath will sit at the base of the first bunch to ensure there aren't any gaps and my floral wire is covered. As I am adding more bunches, I will form my wire into a round shape to prevent any gaps in flowers when the crown is stretched around the head. Continue adding your baby's breath using the floral tape. If you want a dainty crown, you would just wrap 1 baby's breath stem at a time. For a thicker crown, you would bunch together 4 to 5 stems each time you add to the crown. I added about 2 stems each time for today's flower crown. Continue adding baby's breath until you are half an inch away from the loop. Use floral tape to secure your last stems and add a dab of hot glue to keep your floral tape in place. I like to trim any spots that are sticking out to keep my flower crown even. To finish the crown, thread a piece of ribbon through the loops. Here is our finished flower crown. This is an easy and inexpensive way to add something special for any event. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more flower tutorials.